Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys app lock setting. And today video title is guys how to remove fingerprint lock from app lock setting. Friends, you want to remove fingerprint lock from your app lock setting, you don't want to use Redmi mobile fingerprint lock setting plus app lock. Friends, you can see when I will click here my phone call app. So friends, you can see I have fingerprint lock on my app lock setting. So friends, you want to remove fingerprint lock from app lock setting, you want to unlock app lock with password only. How to unlock app lock with password and how to remove fingerprint lock from app lock setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting, friends, scroll down here. Open your device phone password and security setting. After turn on phone password and security setting, so friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here. Also friends, first of all click here app setting, I'm sorry, and scroll down here, click here app lock setting. You don't want to use app lock, only fingerprint lock. You don't want to use app lock with fingerprint. Enter password. Right click here setting icon. Fingerprint lock unlock setting off. After turn off friends, you can check fingerprint lock will remove from your app lock setting. You want to unlock app lock setting friends, you can see fingerprint lock icon will remove. Enter password. You can unlock your app lock setting without fingerprint lock. Friends, click here now click here password and security setting. And friends, now if you click here fingerprint lock setting, you don't want to use fingerprint lock, enter your lock screen password, select your fingerprint lock password, remove your fingerprint lock. And friends, on your lock screen you cannot use fingerprint lock, and you cannot use fingerprint lock on app lock setting also. So friends, you can check when you will lock your screen, when you will unlock your phone, fingerprint lock is not here, draw pattern, phone will unlock. Friends, you have locked any app, so friends, you can see phone call app is locked, but I cannot use fingerprint lock to unlock my phone call app. Enter password, you can unlock your phone call app and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use app lock setting and you can remove fingerprint lock from your app lock setting. And again you want to add, so friends, click here use a fingerprint setting icon, setting option, click here, draw your lock screen pattern and enter your lock screen password. You can add fingerprint lock again in your Redmi mobile, and you can use fingerprint lock plus app lock setting, touch and remove on your fingerprint sensor, and you can add fingerprint lock and you can unlock your app lock setting with fingerprint. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.